credibility. Easily.
Dude.
If we stay here for the right reason. To protect Greece, not your pride.
Shush.
The battle between is destroying us. Achilles is one man.
Shush.
Hector is one man.
Shush.
What he did to us was Hector fights for his country. Achilles fights only for himself. I don't care about the man believing. I care about his ability to win battle. The man's morale is weak.